Okay, guys. Today the kids got me fixing their monster trucks. I fixed these two. So this little guy likes to put his weight on it. I told him to relax. You just gotta have to push them and play them normal. But he'll put his weight on it. But he'll break these wheels. So if your kid's wheels broke, so I'm doing a video on this because I might as well do it because I ran into so much trouble. I tried to pick up some bolts so I could drill holes right through these little bolts, but nothing would. I could not find anything of its size, and this thing doesn't fit right through here. This is the smallest, skinniest one I could find. I'm sure there's skinny ones. So as you can see, there's a wideness on these tires, so it can maneuver around and do that. That's the function of it. But once you play with it, once you take this off, you're gonna have a less of a space. You see the front? Look at the front, how it can move. But at least you still have a little bit of movement, but not a lot, and it becomes a little crunchy. But the guy's crying at home, and I've been holding these for probably like 2 months. I try to glue this thing, epoxy and all that. So what I want to do is I want to get this guy out, but to get this guy out, what I like to do here is I use a little of a lighter, this torch lighter, and there you go. This baby's on fire. And what you want to do is once it gets hot, you want to just push this guy right off, and it comes right off. This thing is hot, so this is the little piece we just eliminated from this little guy. So this thing has like a little notches to it. Once this thing sticks in there, it will hold itself. So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna try to make this close as possible to the camera. I'm gonna heat this guy up really well. You don't want to go crazy heat either, because then it'll melt right through that. So a little bit, just give it like 2-3 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. And after that, you're going to take the little bolt and you're going to stick it right in there. And I didn't get enough. This happened to me in the first one. So let's heat up more so it can eat through and go right through. So I'm going to heat the tip more so the tip can just go right through. But once it cools down, it's just going to grab itself. Do not move it once you get this thing in there. Just let it sit in one spot. There it is. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm going to just let it sit here. And I'm going to just let it be right there for a while. And the truck is fixed. Took me 10 seconds to fix that. There it is. We got the monster trucks in the house. Vroom, 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 vroom. Gravedigger, the Clipper, the great Clipper. And we got the Max D. Yeah.